In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right source for a smooth import. Start by opening monday.com and signing into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the right permissions to create or update boards. If you're working from a spreadsheet, it helps to double check your file beforehand. Keep the first row as clear column headers, put one item per row, and use consistent formats for dates, numbers, and emails. Clean, well-labeled data will map into monday.com more accurately and save you time. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of your screen for the plus icon on the main sidebar. This is your quick action button for creating new items. Click the plus icon to open the creation menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the icon. It typically sits near the top of the navigation panel. In the menu that opens, choose Import Data. This takes you to the Import Hub, where monday.com organizes all the ways you can bring information in. Think of this as the starting gate for turning your external data into structured items and columns inside your boards. On the import screen, you'll see a set of source options. You can import from Excel or CSV files stored locally, connect to Google Sheets, or pull data from popular work tools like Asana, Trello, and Basecamp. There are also integrations for marketing and support platforms such as Meta Ads and Zendesk, as well as development tools like Jira and Jira Server. Pick the source that matches where your data currently lives. If you select a third-party app, you may be prompted to connect your account and grant permissions so monday.com can fetch your data securely. As you proceed, keep a few best practices in mind. Plan how your columns should map into monday.com, especially for status, owner, date, and number fields. Consistent naming makes mapping faster, and using standard date formats avoids errors. If you're updating an existing board, unique identifiers like task IDs can help prevent duplicates. Large imports are often best tested with a small sample first so you can confirm everything lands in the right columns before bringing in the full data set. After the import, spot check a few items to ensure your data looks correct and any automations on the board behave as expected. That's it. You've signed in, opened the creation menu, selected import data, and reviewed your source options. Follow these tips and your monday.com imports will be clean, reliable, and ready for action.